Redkey, Indiana was once the wild heart of the state's gas boom in the 1890s. When natural gas was discovered here, the town exploded with industry. Glass factories, electric lights, even an opera house, all powered by seemingly endless gas. It was so abundant, some factories burned it off just to show off. But by the 1910s, the boom fizzled out. Gas ran dry, jobs vanished, and Redkey slowly faded into quiet. Today, it's a small town with big history, antique stores, restored buildings, and local events that keep its spirit alive. You can still walk streets where fortunes were made and history was literally burned into the air. Next time you're road tripping through Jay County, stop in Redkey, because forgotten towns still have stories to tell. Thanks for joining us on Indiana's Story Minute.